What's up guys? It's John Matthew Hardin at may kakulab na po pala tayo ngayong gabi.
So guys,
It's Wayne Braille Ponce. So ngayong gabi guys ay magja-jogging muna kami para sa aming healthy fitness. So ayun guys, mag-warm up muna tayo.
para iwas injury.
Para iwas injury. Tara. Alright guys, warm up tayo. Guys, 1K
4K to go.
4K to go. So ayan guys, 2K na po tayo. Malapit na tayong mag 3K. 1 kilometro na lang. 2K na lang. And guys, andito tayo sa Sibulan Diversion, Magatas. Burok 5 guys. Go to 3K guys.
3K na lang guys.
Go to 3K.
Tara.
Patuloy po siya
guys.
Wait.
Malapit na pala tayo mag 4K guys. Nasa gas station na tayo.
So guys, nandito nga po pala kami sa President Ponce. Kakain muna kami guys. Ililibre ko muna to guys. Para may makain kami. Diversion Road hanggang 7-Eleven ay naabot natin. So, sa gustong mag-increase ng kilometers dyan, ipapatuloy nyo ng dahan-dahan. Kasi hindi pwedeng biglain, delikado yan sa ating katawan guys. Kasi kailangan natin sa isang matagumpay na mapa-increase ang ating kilometro ay dapat sa ating dahan-dahanin guys. So, yun lang guys. So, ayun lang. Bye guys! Thank you for watching! Hello guys, good evening guys, it's John Matthew Hardin once again. So another vlog, the jogging vlog. So may ako lang po in Wayne Ponce. So now I'm only solo because I want to share my hobbies, my future plans, and my weakness. So what are you waiting for? Let's go. My hobby is playing sepak takraw, and it's one of my sports I truly enjoy. I started playing it because I inspired by my friends and classmates who also loves the game. Playing sepak takraw helps me stay active, improve my strength, balance, and teamwork. I practice regularly so I can improve my skills, especially my serving, kicking, and blocking. Sometimes the training is difficult, but it motivates me to work harder. My dream is to represent our school and compete in Palawang Pambansa someday. I know that reaching this goal requires discipline, dedication, and continuous practice. My future plan is to become a commercial airline pilot. Ever since I was young, I have been fascinated by airplanes and how they fly across the world. I want to study hard and learn everything about aviation so I can achieve this dream. To help me prepare, I practice using flight simulators application on my mobile phone. This simulator helped me understand the basic control and how pilots operate an aircraft. Enjoy learning how to take off, navigate, and land safely in different situations. Practicing every day helps me improve my knowledge and confidence about flying. One of my weakness is feeling worried about being judged by teammates. Sometimes I feel nervous when I have to speak in front of everyone. I'm afraid that I might say something wrong or make mistake. Because of fear, I sometimes hesitate to share my ideas. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.